Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Brussels sprouts in the air fryer. Super easy, really quick, a great way to prepare this as a side dish for lunch or dinner or whenever you want to have it, just a snack. Really awesome. If I can do it, you can do it. Before I move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. Down below in the description box, you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts, but it's pretty easy to remember this recipe. So begin with your Brussels sprouts, and I just rinsed and dried these. And then what I want to do is any really large ones, like the large ones like these, I'm going to cut those in half. But before that, I want to cut all the little ends off, just a little bit. You don't have to do that, but it's nice because those little, the very end is just a little bit unappetizing. So I'm going to take those and then put these in the bowl, and then any like flyaways like these, I'm just going to put those in there as well and cook those up as well. They make like little Brussels sprout chips as they cook in the air fryer. Pretty awesome. So again, just cut off these ends, and then any really large ones, just cut them in half. Or if they're really large, sometimes Brussels sprouts grow really large, then just cut them in quarters. And I have about a pound or 16 ounces of Brussels sprouts here. So it'll take just a few minutes to prep these Brussels sprouts, depending on how many you have. But really, start to finish, this recipe is really quick. Like, you can have these ready to go in less than 20 minutes. All right, there we go. And then you can just throw away or compost these scraps. And then I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil and just drizzle it on. This is probably just a couple of teaspoons of olive oil. It's not necessary. It just adds a little bit of flavor and helps them crisp up more. Also, it allows the seasonings to stick better to it. But again, you don't have to use oil at all, and you don't have to use olive oil. You could use a different kind of oil like avocado oil or coconut oil or something like that. And then I'm just going to put my lid on real quick. Just give these a shake just to get them a little evenly coated. If you don't have a lid, you can just stir, okay? And now I'm going to take some garlic powder and just shake on some garlic powder. About a half teaspoon. Some ground black pepper. About a fourth of a teaspoon. And then some salt. Just shake on some salt. Not too much. You can always season it more when it's done. That's about a fourth teaspoon of salt. And again, put that lid on. Give it a shake. And if you don't have a bowl like this with a lid, you could also just do it in like a bag, plastic bag, Ziploc bag. Boom. And just like that, they are ready to be cooked. So I will open up my air fryer and pull out the basket. And this is just a Secura brand air fryer. I really like it. I'll put a link down below in the description if you want to pick up this exact same one. But pretty much any air fryer will work great. And then I'm going to just pour those in there. And then just spread them out so they're kind of in one layer. Just like that. And then we'll slide it in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temp right around 350, 360 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. And then I'm going to set the time for 12 minutes. There we go. After about 6 minutes, we're going to take out the basket and take a look. Looking good. Now I'm just going to give these a little shake like this, just let them roll around a little bit, and just so they'll cook evenly. And put it back in. And we'll go for another 6, 7 minutes until they're nice and kind of golden brown colored, and then they'll be ready, they'll be done. And when the time is up, we'll remove it. And look at that. Nice and golden brown. And then I'm going to just take these and pour these all in there, in that bowl. And there we go. Put this back. Of course, you want to let these cool for a few minutes so they don't burn people's mouths when they bite into them. But there you go. Super easy Brussels sprouts cooked in the air fryer. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah. First I'm going to show you like this one, this little flaked off bit. It's like a Brussels sprout chip. So awesome. I'll dive into this guy. Yeah, look at that. So awesome. I love these.